Happy Friday. It's June 19th, Juneteenth here in the US, and I have already played this puzzle, but my sound was off. So I'm going to have to replay it, and I won't get the words that I didn't get the first time. Like, I'll still skip the words that I had to skip the first time, and I'll just talk through why and what I did instead to solve it. So, one across, quick trip. I didn't know this. I had to use all the down letters to fill this in. Um, so I'm just going to skip it this time too. 6, protective attire. At first I thought that might have been mask or like a shield, but it is armor. And that really does it when you see attire, like, something you wear. A salad with chicken, bacon, eggs, and blue cheese. That's a Cobb salad that I'm kind of familiar with. What gave it away for me was the blue cheese, eggs, and bacon. I think those are kind of what makes it a Cobb salad. Asian Peninsula split into North and South. That's Korea. And powdered cobalt glass pigment. I didn't know that one, and I'm not going to get it this time. So I'm going to skip it again. The lowest value face cards. It helps that I'm playing solitaire a lot, and that is jacks. And it could be jack, but since we see a plural here for cards, we know it's jacks. Virginia Woolf's A Room of One's Own. And even if you don't necessarily know that title, with these letters and these blanks, you can kind of guess a room because there's only so many letters that are, or words that are one letter, and then ROO, it's got to be a something. Anyway, 3 down, darkest part of a shadow. In my mind, I was like, oh, umber. Is it umber? But then it didn't make sense. Umber is the color, like a reddish earth tone color, and it's umbra. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, it's something like that. Um, anyway, it's a in an eclipse, or when you have two light sources that are overlapping, it's where they overlap and make the darkest part of a shadow. Prize named after Swedish inventor Alfred. Again, I had to use these letters here to get this. For Nobel Prize, if it was, I think, award or something else, I wouldn't have gotten it, but prize. And then seeing these letters here, I was like, okay, it's got to be the Nobel Prize. Nobel. Anyway. And then country code for Turkey. This one seems pretty obvious because it's got to start with a T. And then in a specified location, there are only so many letters or words that are only 2 letters, so we have at in a specified location, which means one across. The quick trip that I skipped was a jaunt. It looks kind of strange spelled out to me, but I know that word, and I don't know if I use it so much, but in speaking, like, oh, just a jaunt, going for a quick jaunt. Anyway, and then smalt, I have no idea, and I never would have gotten this, so it's a good thing I had the down letters. Powdered cobalt glass pigment. I'm visualizing that bright blue glass. So now I want to go look it up and learn more about what smalt is and how they make cobalt glass.